Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to unboxing and testing this product. This product is called waterproof self-spraying. It is used for waterproofing repair of pipe roots, pipe openings, corners, roof cracks, slotted wiring and other weak and leaky points. Seems like the cover already broken. I want to testing to repair my cracked bucket to see if this product is work. There is the hole, it's quite large. Shake the bottle before use, spray evenly on the base, and spray once again after an hour. 2 spraying is recommended. Waiting for curing. The surface drying time is 20 to 30 minutes. The curing time is about 24 hours. After 24 hours, it's looked like the surface is completely drying. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoy the video.